welcome to Going Guitar. Having fun with a song from Leroy Sanchez, Aftershock. Okay, so it's only 2 chords, very easy. No need for any capo here. We have the F major 7 and the G add 11. Let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with the F. We're gonna play 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. That's the F major 7, and the next chord is this G add 11. You keep that 1st fret B string throughout the song. You just go with the 2 fingers up to this position. You have 3rd E, 2nd A, then open D, open G, and still 1st B and open E. Okay, so we're gonna alternate these 2 chords throughout the song. We're gonna learn first the strumming pattern without any notes to handle, just straight strumming. So if you grab the 1st chord, the F major 7, you have one strum that goes down, up, down, clap. So like that. Clap and a short little pause after that. So down, up, down, clap. Down, up, down, clap. You're going to play 2 of these per chord. So F major 2, G add 2, back and forth throughout the song like this. And so on. All right, that's the strumming only. If you want to level up a little bit, you want to handle the notes as well. So I'm going to give you that chord by chord now. We're going to start with the F major 7, and I suggest this will be the starting point of the chord here, just a 3rd D and 2nd G. Okay, so you leave that B out of it to begin with. So you're going to play like this. And then the last note you add on the 1st fret B string. All right, so what you do here, you play the open G note, G string, and then you hammer on to get the 2nd G, and then you pick 1 extra down to get the 2nd G again. So it starts like that. So open G to 2nd G 2 times. Then comes the clap. Then you repeat that again. Open G, and then 2 times on 2nd G, then the clap, and then comes the 1st B notes, 1st B string there, and that's the F major part. So slowly go like this. Okay, and when you have these certain notes, it's great if you can incorporate the D string to the notes as well. Gives you a little bit more bass to that sound. Okay, so you're not just playing the single notes, you give this D string a part of this melody as well. So like this. When you get the 1st B string there, you can also incorporate all the strings there. But try to land on the B string, because the thing is, the note you are landing on, that is the one that will be emphasized. And you want to emphasize this melody. So, okay, that's the F part. And then you go into the G part. You go up to this position now, use the chord, the bass notes from the chords, even if they are not a part of the melody, they gave you this bass. I'm talking about this meter sound that supports the melody, okay? So now you have the melody on the B string still. Okay, so you're gonna play the 1st fret B string, and then open B string 2 times, and then the clap. Then you play again the 1st B, then open B, then open high E, the clap, and finally open G. Okay, this is a little bit tricky there. The clap comes very tight between the open high E and the open G, so it's timing there. But anyway, it goes like this. Now I picked the notes, you can do that as well, but if you go with the downstrokes and strumming, it goes like this. Okay, and that's the end of this melody, and you just roll that over and over again. So if you want to play just strumming, it's fine. If you want to play the melody, it's fine. And if you want to do a fusion there, it will sound something like this. All right, and I go with some picking sometimes as well. And it's up to you guys. You can make it in your own style. This is Leroy Sanchez's song called Aftershock. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, let me know. Leave me a comment, thumb up this tutorial. And until next time, play tuned.